Hello everyone, CBSE Class 10 Math video solution to the sample paper for 2021 given by the board, standard version of the paper. This question is from Applications of Trigonometry, a 3-mark question, an interesting question, right? If the angles of elevation of the top of a candle from two coins distant A and B, A is greater than B, so this is going to be A and this is B. So the angles of elevation from these two coins is available, and in the same straight line from the base of the candle as the candle, right? All of these are on the same straight line. This in the angles of elevation are 30 degrees and 60 degrees. What we have to find out is the height of the candle. This is what the question is. Let's just get this entire thing redone in the form of a right triangle schematic, which is what we have here. AB is the candle whose height we are trying to find out. Coins at D and C at a distance of A centimeters and B centimeters from the base of the candle. The coin and the base of the candle are all on a straight line. Angles of elevation are 30 degrees and 60 degrees from the coin which is at a distance of A and the coin which is at a distance of B respectively. We need to find out the value of H, right? So, like look at it, we have two right triangles ABC and ABD in which we have measures of two angles. We are trying to find out H, which happens to be the opposite side for both these angles. We have information about the distance from the base of the candle of these two coins, which is A and B, which correspondingly are the adjacent sides of these two right triangles for angles 60 degrees and 30 degrees. So, going to be applying a trigonometric ratio which combines the opposite side and adjacent side, which is tan. So, let's start with the first triangle, which is right triangle ABC. We will look at this triangle. Note one thing, your final answer is not going to be in terms of a number. Your final answer is going to be in terms of A and B, because the only numbers that we have are 60 degrees and 30 degrees. We need the measure of some length to get the answer finally in terms of a number, which this question has not provided. So, our final answer is going to be in terms of A and B. Start with the first triangle ABC, right triangle. In right triangle ABC, tan C, which is tan 60 degrees, tan of 60 degrees is equal to the opposite side AB divided by the adjacent side BC. So, this opposite side is the height of the candle, adjacent side we know is B centimeters. Tan 60 is root 3. So, root 3 is equal to H upon B, or the height of the candle is going to be equal to B root 3. If this is the only information available, we could have gone with that. They given us information about this one also. So, at some level we need to use that as well. Let us go to the second right triangle. We will remember this number, this value if possible, or come back to it. We will call it as equation 1. Go to the second right triangle. This second right triangle is ABD. We are looking at tan of angle D, which is tan 30 degrees, is equal to the opposite side AB divided by the adjacent side BD. AB is equal to the height of the candle, adjacent side is equal to A. Tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 upon root 3. This is equal to H divided by A, or the height is equal to A upon root 3. So, this is the second one. So, we know that the height from the first equation is B root 3, from the second equation is equal to A root 3, A by root 3. We need to express H in terms of A and B. So, what I am going to do is I am going to multiply the first equation with the second equation. H is equal to B root 3 is multiplied with H is equal to A upon root 3. Left hand side multiplied will leave us with H square. Right hand side is B root 3 times A divided by root 3. Root 3 gets cancelled with root 3. H square is equal to AB, or H is equal to square root of AB. If these two coins make angles of 30 degrees and 60 degrees respectively, the height of the candle is going to be square root of the product of the distances of these two coins from the base of the candle.
Before you leave, I want you to do two things. One, sign up at online.maxtute.com to get started with CBSE Class 10 Math online tuitions. It takes all of 5 minutes and less than 3 steps to get started. And second thing, I want you to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time a new video is uploaded. Spread the word about this channel to your friends and classmates.